Kublai vi baro ki viewers hasin pan hagni ka video ni noram yang pi ha kabede ban ki khubor LAITKAM kata kabede join ka Meghalaya Border Wing Home Guards Battalion. Ekadon hadu chispa pratali ki total number of posts kata sanpo sautli ki total number of posts namta ka part time nayak but san sautli namta ki part time lanes nayak volunteers. Ke sabha kani ke day ka application lani ke jingkhot application namta ki nongsong shnong jong ka state Meghalaya but ki badai try ru tang ki nongsong shnong jong ka state Meghalaya mo mde na ki wi ki state na tang ki badai na po state Meghalaya bagian wan ban pendap ikiti ki chispa prateri ki total number of posts kata da ka offline mode mo but ya ka form phila ban download da ka ba pi click ya ka link ka ba an sabu hapo ka comment pins lani hapo ka description box ki jonga di kadon nagbenta jong ni baro ki khun samla ki ba empat don kam don jam sngop ha ban shim ya kani kalat kabu lane oban apply hai ki district ki bajan ki jongpi late ban kili shai ki district ki bajan ki jongpi nagbenta bapinyo igi jingtip ki babnia kata lengba ka Department of Labours and Employment and Skill Development Government of Meghalaya hakeleng jong kari kasi bad chantia but kini ka post kan day ka post ka bashim hadu lines nem nagamta banlong volunteers mo namta banlong ki nong Tremon Sobha lani kita ki volunteers but kajing siru kenai pi da ka highly skilled wages mo kin siwi pi hakador nongsngi kata kabadai jong ka highly skilled wages kabadai ka bajan kot syaki hendus pa tangka ye mo but nagabenta karta pade kande ya ki candidates lani ki applicants kimdei bantam ya ka san post nem mo khat phra hadu san post nem ni dangla ban apply nagabenta kini post te baro ki candidates ki pakwa ban apply swa ban shim banta bai nagabenta ban apply ban long volunteers nagabenta ka Meghalaya Border Wings Home Guards Battalion. But the last date ke bapila ban apply nagbenta kiti ki total number of posts kemudian hadu chispa pratli kandai hadu kan riu tarik u Julai arhajar arpondriu. Jemetang ni apa ki katokat ni ki jing batai le ni kita ki general instruction nang batai jing ni ki applicants kebenkong 2 copies of recent passport size photograph atli ki passport pidai ban pendai le ni pidai ban bu hapo ka standard form nangta educational qualification certificate pi pass class ayuru pidai ban pendai lutigi educational certificate ki jongpi nangta ka birth certificate nangta ka AP card ke jongpi home guard basic training certificate lada pidon ka certificate training jong home guard ru phila ban attach lang nangta medical fitness certificate nangta ka deployment period certificate issued by the district commandants officer commanding district training centers but kumjuru ka application completed in all respect and accompanied by self attested copies de yang kita gi documents barcode pidei ban atas hi mo kata kadiga general instruction but nagamenta ka personal interview sabha ki applicants baro in sapenlong ye phi hapo ka tura bat shillong centers but lada phi shajit shabaro ki applicants ngobhaban sabha lada phi shajit nagamenta ba pintre banlong volunteers pidei ban late sya kino ki jaka ki ba ansapha lomba kani ka department ki badai shiki border jong kari khasi bat chantia